Welcome to St. Thomas School. This is a new session. Here we are going to discuss about practical questions with answer of chapter 1. So let's get started. 1. Develop a web page that provides introductory information about your school. Give headings of this page as St. Thomas School Surat. Use necessary formatting and presenting tags. Let's see how to solve it. Okay, so give heading St. Thomas School Surat. Here I have given the title St. Thomas School Surat, and in the body section I am going to give heading for first page is St. Thomas School Surat. So I will use here H1. H1 align is equal to center, and the heading is St. Thomas School Surat. Better for you give St. Thomas English Medium Higher Secondary School Surat. St. Thomas English Medium Higher Secondary School Surat, right? This is my heading. So let me close this H1 and let me save it. Let me press F5. You can say this is coming, but I want to draw a line just below this. So how will I draw this? Let's see. To draw that, I'm going to use HR tag. So I will use here HR tag. Let me show you. HR. Okay. So let me show. Here I have used the HR tag. You can see a line has been drawn just below that. But I want to change the color of this. So I will here give color. Color I want here. Let me blue. Okay, so I have given blue. Let me show blue. Okay. Just below this, I want to write about this school as it is mentioned in the question. So I will use here font and size will be 8, right? And let me, I have already typed it, so I will copy and paste. Yeah, this I want to put this one, the first paragraph. So I will just copy and paste. I will back to the site and I will use the P tag, P for paragraph. And here I will close this. Okay. So now let me show you. So it's so bigger. So let me make it a smaller one just by changing this size. Let me give 4 and let me see. You can see now it's okay. If you want to make here, let me give here 6. 6 is bigger, so let me give here 5. Okay, so this is the first paragraph. Again I want to give a second paragraph, so I have already typed, so I will copy and paste. Yeah, this is second paragraph. I will copy and I will paste to my site. Yeah, so let's insert the first paragraph, second paragraph, close the second paragraph. Okay, so insert here. Yes, inserted. Yeah, let me save and let me show you. Yeah, this is my, yeah, you can see the second paragraph has been inserted. Now third paragraph is also given, so I will use it. This is my third paragraph. I want to copy and paste. For the third paragraph, we have to use the again one more P will be here, paragraph tag, and P will close in between. Okay, you can see this is my third paragraph. Let me save and let me show you. Okay, one more paragraph is there, so let me take it. I want to just copy and paste. So here I will give is P tag and P will close. Let me save and let me show you. So here I have solved the first question. Thank you for watching this. Practical question number 2, lesson number 1. Develop a web page that introduce your class. Include information such as your class teacher, other course teachers and subject you are learning. Give heading of this page as my class. Use necessary formatting and presenting tags. Let's see how to solve this. Question number 2, we have to design a web page for my class. So here the title will be my class. My class. I want to give 10th. That is more clearer. And you can mention the section also A, B. Here I am not mentioning the section. And the heading will be H1. Let me give H1 align is equal to H1 align is equal to center. And here I want to give heading my class, that is 10th, and I want to close this H1. Okay, so this is the heading. Now I want to draw a line just below this, so I will use HR tag, HR, and width I want to give here. No, width I don't want to give it. Color I want to give gray, so color is equal to gray. Okay, now let me save and let me show you how this is going to be appear. There's a 5, you can see. Okay, so just below I have to introduce my class, so let me introduce that. So here I want to write serial number first. So let me use the pre tag. You can use any other tag, but in this lesson we have not studied some other tags, so I will use the pre tag. You can use the list, you can use the table also, but we have not studied in this lesson, so I'm using the pre tag. Pre tag we have already studied. Pre, and here I want to give a serial number, and I will use the tab and subject teacher, and let me give a teacher's name, and here I want to give subject, right? Let me save, let me show you. Yes, yes, it's good. Now I want to draw one more line just below this, so I will just copy this tag and I will paste it to make more attractive and cool. Let me show you. Yes, let me save first and let me back to the browser. Let me see. Yeah, then just below serial number I want to give 1 2 3 as. Okay, so let me give you 1 And the one first is, let me give, suppose your class teacher is Raji's teacher, so I will give you a Raji teacher, and in bracket I will write class teacher. What is taught by her? Science, so I will give you a science, right? Second number I want to give Sila ma'am. Sila teacher, and she teach social science, so I will write here social science. Third number I want to give Rosmini teacher. Rosmini teacher, and she teach maths, so I'll give you maths. Fourth I want Roy sir. Roy sir teach which subject? English. So I will give you English. Then fifth, I want to give here Devendra sir, and he teaches Gujarati. So I will give here Gujarati. Then six, I want to give Sweta teacher, and she teach which subject? Hindi. So I will write here Hindi. Then seven, Bhavika teacher, and she teach Sanskrit. So I will give it Sanskrit. And eight, Dhananjay sir, and Dhananjay sir teach computer. So I will write computers. Okay. Then pre-tag will close. So I will here close the pre-tag. Let me save and let me show you how this is going to be appear. Yeah, let me draw one more line just below this. So I will copy this tag and I will paste it. Okay, let me show once again. Yes, it is looking good. Yeah, let me change some font size. Here I want to give font size. The font size here, font size is equal to, let me give you a 6 or 5 is good. Let me show you. Yeah, now it is looking cool. Okay, I want to make bold serial number, teacher's name, subject, so I will write here B tag. I will give you B tag, and B will close here. Yes, and let me show you. Yes, so here I have solved the second question. Okay, now it is looking good. Okay, you can see one Raji teacher, class teacher, science. Second, Sheila teacher, social science. Third, Rosmini teacher, maths. Fourth, Ruvai English. Fifth, Devendra sir, Gujarati. Sixth, Sweta teacher. Yeah, teachers itself. Teacher will become not a teacher. So let me close. Let me make some changes here. Yeah, here will be teacher only, not a teachers. Okay. Now back to the web browser and refresh it. Okay, Bhavika teacher, Sanskrit, Dhananjay sir, computer. So this is the second question we have solved. Thank you. Number third, modify the web page created in question 1 of this exercise to create a reference to another web page you have created in question 1 of this exercise. To create a reference to another web page, you have to create it in the question 2 of this exercise. Set hot text in such a way that when it is clicked from the My School page, it will jump to My Class page. It's a simple that we have to modify the questions 1, and there we have to put the link, such a link. When we click on that link, then that link will provide you the next web page, that is My School, and which we have done in the question number 2. Means in the question number 1 solution, we have to put the link for the solution of question number 2. Let's see how to solve this. Open the question number 1 solution. So here I have opened it. You can see. Now I am going to copy this, and after copying this, I will create a new page and I will paste here, and I will modify here. I will give here next paragraph. In this paragraph, I will give a reference to open the web page 2 which we have created in the question number 2. So here I will write anchor tag ahref is equal to q2 dot html. Here make sure that your all the files, the files which you are going to save, I mean the third, or the file which you have created, that means question 2, should be in the same place and in the same folder. Then you have to give just the name of that file which you want to open after clicking it. Otherwise you have to give in the complete path. Here I want to give my class, that is the link, and I will close this anchor tag. I want to make it bigger one, so I will give here font, or simply I will give here h2, and I will close this s2, and let me show you. Save it, and here I give q3 dot html and paste F5. You can see here the solution which we have done for the question number 1 is here, and here I have modified. Here I have given the link. If I click on this link, then my class web page will be open. So that we have to do. I hope you got it and you enjoyed it. Thank you.